Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is append range activity in UiPath. So look at here, in this document folder I have two files which I have created, and if you see here I have a source file and a destination file. Now I am going to add the data present in this source file to this destination file using append range activity in UiPath. Let me open these files. First let me open this source file. Here you can see I have 10 rows of data. So let me close this, and I am going to add all this data into this destination file. So here you can see here are 20 rows of data. So if I add 10 more data here, you will get totally 30 rows of data. Okay, so let me close this and let me minimize this. Go to your UiPath, click on this place and search for sequence. Okay, inside this sequence let me add Excel application scope activity. If you want to perform any operation in Excel, you need to use this Excel application scope activity. So here I need to provide the path of this workbook, and first let me give source file because we are going to read data from this source file and we are going to append that data in destination file. Okay, so source file, let me open this, and I am going to use read range activity to read the data, and here I need to create a output data table. So click here and go to properties, or else you can also create the data table from this variables panel, and click on this properties. At the output I am going to use a shortcut Ctrl+K to create output data table variable, and I am going to name it as, for your better understanding, source file data. Hit on enter and go to variables panel. See here a variable is created and its type is data table and its scope is 2. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to use our append range activity, and here I need to provide the path of this destination file. Okay, so it is similarly this one only. I will just change its destination name, file name to destination file. Okay, what is its file name? Destination file. Okay, and I will write destination file. Now we need to pass the output data table variable name. It's source file data. So now you can understand. I think it will just read the data from this source file and it will store the data in this output data table variable, and it will append that data to this destination file in sheet 1. Okay, there should not be space before this file name, so this file name should be correct. And let me run this code. So our task is done, and let me open our files. So I am going to open this destination file because all the data present in this file only. See, before there was only 20 rows in this destination file. After appending from this source file, now we got 29 rows in this destination file. So this is so simple to practicing, and I would also like to discuss about write range activity in this video, and what are the differences between write range activity and append range activity. So let me take this write range activity and click on this and go to properties. Here you can see some properties like sheet, cell and add headers, but you don't have these properties in this append range activity. So there is no sheet cell and add headers property. So when you will use this write range activity is when you need to override the data, override the existing data in this Excel, or when you need to add the data between these rows or a specified location, or a specified position, you need to go for this write range activity. So, and this append range activity is used when you want to add any data at the end of this rows from any data table or any other Excel sheet. You need to go for this append range activity. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like, and I made a video on write range activity. Look at the description for video link. Thank you.